Have you ever looked at your backyard and thought, why does it feel unfinished no matter how much effort you put into it? What if I told you that creating a stunning patio space doesn't always require a huge budget or luxury materials? Can simple concrete, affordable stone, and budget-friendly covers completely transform an outdoor area into something magazine-worthy? Why are so many homeowners spending thousands when smart patio ideas can achieve the same cozy and elegant vibe for less? Could your boring backyard actually become your favorite place to relax, entertain, and unwind after a long day? What are the hidden design tricks that make cheap patios look expensive and professionally designed? And which backyard patio ideas are secretly changing the way people use their outdoor spaces forever? Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. Why are budget patio ideas becoming so popular? Backyard patio ideas on a budget are becoming more popular because people now want comfort without overspending. Instead of spending massive amounts on luxury renovations, homeowners are focusing on smart upgrades that create maximum impact. A simple patio can completely change the atmosphere of a backyard and make it feel more welcoming. Budget patios also allow people to customize their outdoor spaces according to their own style and needs. Whether it's a covered patio, a stone sitting area, or a modern concrete layout, affordable designs can still look high-end. People are also realizing that outdoor living spaces increase both relaxation and property appeal. The best part is that even small backyards can look stunning with the right patio arrangement and creative planning. Every outdoor space has hidden potential waiting to be discovered, and sometimes the smallest upgrades create the biggest transformations. What makes covered patios so useful? Covered patios are one of the smartest backyard upgrades because they make outdoor spaces usable in every season. A simple patio cover can provide shade during hot summer afternoons and protection during unexpected rain. It instantly creates a cozy atmosphere that feels like an extension of the home itself. Many homeowners use pergolas, wooden roofs, fabric canopies, or metal covers to create stylish yet affordable outdoor shelters. Covered patios also protect furniture and decorations from weather damage, helping everything last longer. When lights and plants are added beneath a patio cover, the space becomes even more inviting and relaxing. The combination of comfort, beauty, and practicality is what makes covered patios such a popular choice today. Sometimes creating a peaceful outdoor retreat is less about size and more about choosing the right design details that completely change the mood. Why do stone patios look so expensive? Stone patios have a timeless appearance that naturally creates an elegant and luxurious feel. Even when inexpensive materials are used, the texture and arrangement of stone can make a backyard look professionally designed. Stone patios blend beautifully with gardens, greenery, fire pits, and outdoor furniture. They also come in many styles, including rustic, modern, natural, and classic designs. Homeowners love stone patios because they feel warm, welcoming, and visually rich, without requiring overly complicated construction. Another advantage is durability, since stone surfaces can last for years with proper maintenance. With the right layout and lighting, even a simple stone patio can become the centerpiece of the entire backyard. The right materials can completely change how a space feels, proving that style often comes from creativity rather than expensive spending. Are concrete patios still trendy? Concrete patios are more stylish today than ever before because modern designs have transformed the way concrete looks. Instead of plain gray surfaces, homeowners now use stamped concrete, textured finishes, painted designs, and geometric layouts. Concrete is affordable, durable, and extremely versatile for different backyard styles. It works perfectly for modern, minimalist, industrial, and contemporary patio themes. Many people also combine concrete with wood, gravel, or greenery to create a balanced and sophisticated outdoor appearance. Concrete patios are especially popular because they require less maintenance compared to many other materials. With smart decoration and furniture placement, a simple concrete patio can look sleek, clean, and luxurious. Sometimes the most overlooked materials become the foundation for the most impressive and modern transformations. How can small backyards feel bigger with patio designs? Small backyards can feel much larger when patios are designed with smart spacing and visual balance. Light-colored flooring, simple furniture, and open layouts help create the illusion of extra space. Using vertical decorations like hanging plants and wall lights also helps maximize the area without overcrowding it. Many homeowners make the mistake of adding too many items, which can make the patio feel cramped and cluttered. A clean and organized patio instantly feels more relaxing and visually spacious. Mirrors, layered lighting, and multi-purpose furniture can also improve functionality while maintaining a stylish look. Even the smallest backyard can become a beautiful retreat when every element is carefully planned. Creative design choices often matter more than square footage when it comes to building a space that feels open, peaceful, and inviting. What budget-friendly decor can upgrade a patio instantly? Affordable decor can completely transform a patio without requiring major renovations or expensive purchases. String lights are one of the easiest ways to create warmth and ambiance during evenings. Outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and cozy seating arrangements can instantly make the area feel more comfortable. Plants and flowers add freshness, color, and life to any backyard patio design. DIY decorations like handmade planters, painted pots, and recycled furniture can make the space feel unique and personal. Fire pits and lanterns also create a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for gatherings or quiet nights outdoors. The secret is combining simple elements in a way that feels balanced, welcoming, and visually appealing. A beautiful outdoor space is often created through thoughtful details that work together to build comfort, personality, and atmosphere. Why are DIY patio projects so popular? DIY patio projects are becoming increasingly popular because they allow homeowners to save money while expressing creativity. People enjoy designing spaces that reflect their own personality instead of copying expensive showroom designs. Simple DIY upgrades like gravel patios, pallet furniture, and homemade pergolas can dramatically improve a backyard. Many projects require only basic tools and affordable materials to create stunning results. DIY patios also provide flexibility because homeowners can improve the space step by step over time. The sense of accomplishment that comes from building something with your own hands makes the space feel even more special. With patience and creativity, even beginners can create outdoor spaces that look professionally designed. Sometimes the most rewarding transformations come from simple ideas combined with creativity, effort, and a vision for something better. What patio furniture works best on a budget? Budget-friendly patio furniture can still look stylish, modern, and comfortable when chosen carefully. Many people now prefer simple furniture with clean lines because it creates a timeless appearance. Wooden benches, foldable chairs, and compact seating sets are practical and affordable options. Furniture made from recycled materials is also becoming increasingly popular for outdoor spaces. Neutral colors help patios feel more elegant and easier to decorate with different accessories. Adding cushions, blankets, and outdoor pillows can instantly improve comfort without spending too much money. The right furniture arrangement can make a patio feel more social, cozy, and functional for everyday use. A comfortable outdoor environment is built through thoughtful choices that balance practicality, style, and everyday relaxation. So, Can a backyard patio really look stunning without spending a fortune? Absolutely. The truth is that beautiful outdoor spaces are no longer limited to luxury homes or massive renovation budgets. Covered patios create comfort and protection. Stone patios bring timeless elegance, and concrete patios deliver modern versatility. By combining affordable materials, smart layouts, cozy lighting, and creative decor, any backyard can become a relaxing personal escape. The biggest transformation often comes from thoughtful planning rather than expensive upgrades. Whether your space is large or small, modern or rustic, there are endless ways to create a patio that feels welcoming and stylish. And now that you know the secrets behind budget-friendly patio transformations, your backyard might never look the same again.